Okay, so what we're gonna do for you now is what you could see is I've prepped the mannequin because it was too difficult to do on this mannequin stand. But what we did was we did a basic French braid going up the back of the head. This was a very popular thing back in the 80s when we had to make big hair, but all the big hair had to be up on top. So this was a very easy way of putting the hair up with French braid up the back of the head, and then of course creating massive amounts of volume up top. So we started off with that braid, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do 2 more braids for you, and we're going to focus everything up into the top crown area here, and I'm going to do a braid up the side, again just a French braid, leaving the front for just a little poof to do. I don't know if that's a professional term, poof to do, but I like to use it. It just makes me feel happy when I say poof to do. Okay guys, so what we're going to do now is we're going to do a French braid, and I'm going to go up the side of the head. I'm going to take my front hairline out. I'm going to break it into 3 sections here, and we're going to go into the middle 3 times with that. So 1, 2, 3. There we go. Set up our hand, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pinch a little bit of hair off the front there at the top. We're going to take that and put it into the center, just like we've been doing for our French braids. Pinch that off that side that I picked up, flip my hand, and now we're ready to pick up from the bottom area. Again, putting that into my hand here, into the center, and now pinching that out, turning my hand. Continuing by pinching off the top, putting it into the center. Again, keeping my hand in the direction I want this braid to go, which is up and in. Picking up a piece from the bottom, adding it to the middle, flipping the hand, picking it up from there, pick up a piece from the top, again, pinching off that top. There we go. Adding it to the middle and then flipping the hand, picking up another piece, adding it to the middle, bringing my body to the opposite side of this head so that I continue this braid over to this side. This will be about the last top piece, maybe one more. Continue. Picking up the bottom, adding it to the middle. Yeah, we're going to go one more just to get us right to the center. One more on the bottom here. Should bring us to the center of this. Just a basic French braid. So we're going to take this tail now and we're going to just braid it out. Okay, I'm going to put a temporary clip on that and just move it out of my way. Okay, so now we're on the other side here, and again we're going to do a basic French braid for you. What I did was I actually took the 3 different braids, and I took the side braids and the back braid, which was going up the head, and I just pinned them up in the crown area just for a messy type of look. Pin them up as best I could. And now what I'm going to do is just finish off this hairstyle for you. And what we're going to do here is we're going to just create a little bit of fullness up towards the front. I'm going to lower my client down here, and we're going to just create a little bit of back combing and puff that up. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take this hair here. We're going to just give it a little bit of back combing, again looking for balance. And I'm going to just take my brush, using it, back comb it in the root area. Keeping those ends clear. Pinning that hair down, creating a little bit of fullness through the top crown area, just with the end. Coming around to my front. Just finishing that up for you. And there we have something that's simple, elegant, done with braids. Can get a lot more technical, a lot more detailed, but again, just simplicity. And that would be the French braids.